guys, what's going on? I know it's been a minute since I made a vlog. As always, working, doing stuff. Haven't really been wanting to vlog, but today I'm taking out the car and we're gonna see if my car will actually pass inspection. Fully built, B series turbo, everything is done to it. So we're actually gonna see if I actually pass inspection today. So right now I'm just walking my dog. It's a beautiful day. It's not that cold, so I'm just staying with my hoodie. But I'm gonna take out the car, meet up with my boy Gene. Then he's gonna take me to his boy shop. Come on, Chip, come on. He's gonna take me to a shop where one of his friends works at to do the inspection and stuff like that. So we'll see if it actually passes the inspection. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice little chill vlog. And then yeah, I don't really know when else I'll be able to do a vlog because next week is Christmas and then New Year's and it's my birthday. So in between that, maybe I'll try to make a vlog something. But I'll definitely be like live streaming stuff on my YouTube if you guys don't know. I've been playing Warzone and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna walk the dog and then take the car and then we out of here. Alright, took out this case of Chase, took out some cash. I just seen a beautiful Type R, the new ones. Those new Type R are so good looking, man. Like so close to getting one, but I don't know, man. I am gonna get a new car soon, but I don't know if I'm gonna get like a car for myself or like a family car. We have the Jeep, but we need something with like more seats, you know? So I don't know, we'll see. spot. Fuck. Yeah. I went the right way. Make it? Sir, yo, bro, this feels so weird because like I've been waiting my whole life for a car to be 25 years just to see if it works. Well, my guy Gene always hooking me up with some shit, bro. So I didn't want to go to no other spot. I wanted to go to like the, you know, the good spot, because all these other spots they try to like look for 100,000 things just to not make it past inspection, dude. So we'll see right now. And if you have some money available for wheel line, we might just get a wheel line right now also. Oh, she passed. 25-year-old car, bro. We waited for this forever. We've been waiting for this since I got this car. Then I have to put the computer in this car because on data it's not gonna read. Passed. Alright, we're about to get a quick alignment now finally, because this front end goes to the side a little bit, so should be good now. Damn, that is crazy, bro. Fast inspection. Alright, my guy Gene giving me the Gene alignment right now. So it's about to go from like what, 500 horsepower to driving like a 700 horsepower car right now. Chilling. An alignment. Yeah, fully taken care of finally. Inspection, wheel alignment. I'm trying to see if I get a wheel balance here also too. The wheel alignment done. Chilling. My boy Gene with the Gene special. I'm got the wheel balance right now. Finally get everything done on this shit at one shot. Alright, y'all, so as you guys see, got everything done. Heading home now. It's starting to rain, and I only got 5% left on my phone battery life, so I gotta try to make it home quick. But yeah, I'm gonna record some going home. I ain't gonna be doing no boost because it's raining outside. But yeah. Well, guys, so here first, finally got inspection now. So, car is 25 years old. I thought I had to change my license plate and stuff to like historical car or whatever, blah blah blah. Don't have to do that. Car passed inspection with flying colors. Obviously, I took it to a spot with, you know, car people. Because if I would took it to like another spot, they would have like, oh my god, they would look at my up pipe, my dump tube, and blah, 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 it would have failed me. So shout out to Gene's boy. His name is Papito. That's what they call him. So shout out to him. Car pass inspection. All legit. Went through the system and everything. Got all the paperwork here. Now I got to do my registration. Did a wheel balance. Car drives a lot better now. One of my wheels is off balance. I think it might be bent, one of the wheels. Well, it should be. I think it is bent because we needed to put like a 4-pound weight on it. So the shakiness that I had in the car, can't even see. The shakiness that I had in the car, went from like a 10 to like a 2. So no, it's definitely one of these wheels. So gonna have to probably end up getting some new wheels soon. But you don't even feel it anymore. So that doesn't really bother me anymore. But yeah, so there you go. Fully built Honda Civic, top to bottom, 98 EK, passes inspection. You know how long I've been waiting for this shit? Like, I've been waiting, I guess I have no idea. I've been waiting years for this moment. So my car can actually just pass inspection without having to put a computer in it. Because you guys know on B-Series, unless you're like a stock computer and have everything on, it's not going to pass. Because the Honda, when you plug it in, it reads like a whole bunch of numbers. It doesn't even pop up. So thankfully, thank God, and I could do whatever the fuck I want to do to this car. I mean, even though I was doing it before, but I was doing it like, I guess the illegal way. I was using my brother's plates and stuff like that. But I was putting my plates and everything on my brother's car when he had the Civic, and then I used to pass inspection like that, and then put everything back on my car. I've done that for like 10 years. But I don't have the EK no more. So yeah, this was like, this was like worrying me, but thankfully 25 years already. So yeah, not sure if I'm gonna close out the vlog here or not. But if I do, guys, appreciate you guys watching. Now you guys know you guys have anything from 96 and up, I believe. EK. Well, next year is 99, which is in like 20 days. So if you have like a 99 EK, you can put whatever you want on it now, and it'll pass inspection. So you don't have to worry about anything like that. But yeah, now you can do whatever the fuck you want to do to your car. So yeah, still got to do some work to this car. I've just been really lazy. It's been cold working. I got to do the half shaft seal on this. Change the oil on this. Well, I gotta do the oil pan seal, but I haven't did it because the oil in this is still brand new. I'm not about to waste fucking $60 of oil just down the drain. So once this oil starts going bad, I'm gonna dump out all the oil, clean the pan, put silicone in there, because I have the oil pan gasket with the insert in it, which you're not supposed to be used. You're not supposed to use silicone, people say, but I know a lot of people do use silicone just in case, and I didn't, and I should have. But yeah, so everything is good right now. So like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna close out the video. If I am, I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Catch me on stream whenever I stream. Peace out.